Is going to help you understand the flow of the breakout game Chip Away at the Truth. The first thing you'll want to do is play the YouTube video Chip Away at the Truth for your students. It gives the background story of why they want to get into the breakout box. After the video plays, if you want to hit on some key points, for instance, they have 2 hint cards, they have 45 minutes, they need to work together and collaborate, that kind of thing, you can touch on that stuff. Then you'll want to give them the envelope that has the QR codes in it. And they should be cut up into puzzle pieces, each QR code on a different color so that they can sort them by color and then solve the puzzles. Once they solve a puzzle, if they have difficulty scanning it, you should have some QR codes printed out that are not cut up so that they can scan those. The first QR code, or not the first, but one of the QR codes that they scan is going to take them to a Google site called Caesar Cipher 8. And on this site, there are 5 algebra problems. Once they solve the algebra problems, they're going to get the letters B, I, A, B, G as their answer. That is not the code for the word lock. What they'll need to do is apply a Caesar cipher of 8. Chances are they're not going to know what a Caesar cipher is. And so if they Google Caesar cipher, it will tell them that it is a shift cipher. And the 8 tells them how many letters they're going to shift. They may do it by hand where they shift the B, the I, the A, the B, the G. Or in some instances online, you can find a translator where you put in the B, I, A, B, G and hit shift of 8 and it does it automatically for you. When they apply the Caesar cipher of 8, it's going to give them the word tasty, which is the combination for the word lock. Another one of the QR codes is going to take them to a thing link. And this thing link is labeled missing milligrams of dough. And when they click, or they don't have to click, they can just hover on each of these circles. It's going to give them some information about the process of making the chips. On this one right here, it does tell them that we found that between being placed on the conveyor belt and proofing, 126 milligrams of dough goes missing for each dough ball. Okay, so we know 126 milligrams goes missing. You go through, you read some more information, some more information, some more information, and then this one here tells us at this point 162 milligrams more are going missing. So we have 162 milligrams going missing, and we have 126. When you add those together, you get 288 total milligrams of dough going missing, and that is the combination to the 3-digit number lock. When they open the 3-digit number lock, they're going to get the key, which opens the key lock on the big box, and they're going to get these inequality cards on the left-hand side. Okay, when they go through and solve the inequalities, which they'll get what's over here in the red, that's going to give them the combination for the direction lock. The order of the directions are based on the number in the question. So this is x is greater than or equal to 1. So this is my first direction, which would be right. The second direction is y is greater than or equal to 2, which is up. And so the second direction is up. Then I'd look for the 3. So this is x is greater than 3. So the third direction is right. This is y is less than 4. Fourth direction is down. And then y is greater than 5. Last direction is up. So your directional lock code is right, up, down, up. Then the last QR puzzle is going to take them to this word problem called cases of chips per day. And it's a rate problem where they have to calculate how many chip bags per day are made, and then they have to divide it by 24 chip bags per case, and they should get 1,160 cases of chips are produced per day, which is the 4-digit number lock. And that should be the last lock on the big box, and then they break out.